American Express just confirmed the biggest update to the Platinum card in over 40 years. Now they are planning to completely change the premium card game. We are talking about $400 increase in hotel credits, a brand new mirror finish design, and changes so significant that Amex called the largest investment ever made in a credit card refresh. But here's what most people don't realize. While credit card debt just hit a new record of 1.21 trillion and banks are tightening standards, this update positions the Platinum card as one of the most powerful tools available if you know how to use it. Hi, my name is Alain and I'm the founder of SRE Group, and today I'm giving you the complete breakdown on what's happening with American Express Platinum card and why this matters more than any other card news this year. In June 16, 2025, American Express released an official press titled American Express announces major updates coming to the US consumer and business Platinum cards later this year. This is confirmed directly from Amex. And here's what makes this unprecedented. According to their own statement, this is the largest investment ever made in a card refresh for a product that has been over 40 years. By the way, if you got 700 credit score or more, you could be sitting on the ability to access to $100,000 in business funding at 0% APR for 12 months. If you don't want to miss out, there's a link in the description where you can book a free strategy call and see how this applies to your situation. Now let's dive into what's actually changing. To understand why this is so important, you need to see what's happening in the US market right now. The US credit card debt just hit 1.21 trillion. JP Morgan Chase set aside 27.6 billion in reserve, warning of possible recession and higher default rates. Their CFO even admitted they are watching consumers shift from travel and advertisement to using cards to just cover essentials. This means banks expect more people to stop paying their credit cards. That means approvals are getting harder and premium cards are becoming harder to access. This is where the Platinum card stands out. Unlike typical credit card, the Platinum is a charge card. Balance are paid in full each month. That forces discipline, builds trust with Amex, and sets you up as a premium client. When banks are pulling back, relationships matter more than ever. Having a flagship product like Platinum is about more than perks. It's about sending a signal to a lender that you are a premium customer worth spending future credit to. Here are some of the confirmed updates. The welcome bonuses is just the starting point. The real story is in the update Amex is rolling out, and they are massive. Update number 1, $600 hotel credit. The current $200 fines, hotels, and resorts credit is jumping to $600 per year, splitting into two $300 credit every 6 months. And remember, booking through fine hotels and resorts doesn't just cover nights. You also get room upgrades when available, daily breakfast for two $100 proprietary credit, 4 p.m. late checkout guaranteed, and early check-in when available. Think about it, a single weekend stay at a luxury property like the Waldorf Astoria or the Ritz-Carlton could easily cost you $700 to $900. With this credit, you could cover breakfast, get upgrade to a suite, and check out late, all for less than what someone else would pay for just a room. Over a year, that's $1,000 in real value if you travel smart. According to the leak info, the Platinum will feature a reflective mirror-style finish. At first glance, it might just look cosmetic, but Amex isn't doing this by accident. The Platinum is made to stand out in your wallet in the same way the Black Card does. It's a branding play, making sure cardholders feel like they are carrying the top tier. Update number 3. Leaked terms briefly published on Amex site confirm the official rollout on September 18, 2025. The annual fee is currently at $695 and rumor point to an increase to $895, with some insiders expecting $995. That's an actual $200-$300 jump, but remember, you are getting more than $400 in stronger position in the Amex ecosystem. Even at $895, the net positive value is clear. And let's be honest, if you are using the Platinum the way it's meant to be used, you are not worried about the $200 bump in fees, because you are already extracting $100 or more in annual value. Here's why the Platinum remains one of the most powerful tools in the premium credit card space. You get access to premium Centurion launches, priority pass in over 1,300 launches, Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta Escape, and more. Even if you take 3 to 4 trips a year, lunches access can save you hundreds in food and drinks. For frequent travelers, it's easily $1,000 or more in comfort and productivity value. Premium hotel status, automatic Marriott Bonvoy Gold and Hilton Honors Gold means room upgrades, late checkouts, and bonus points. A couple of stays a year can easily return $200 to $400 in benefits. 5 points on travel flights booked directly with the airline or through Amex travel portal, plus prepaid hotels. At 1.6 cents per point, that's an effective 8% return on travel spend. If you spend $10,000 a year on travel, that's $800 in rewards, enough to offset the annual fee by itself. You also get trip delay insurance, purchase protection, extended warranty, and even cell phone protection up to $800 per claim. If you ever had a flight delayed or a phone damage, you know these aren't just nice to haves. They save you real money. This is the Amex ecosystem. This is the big one. Having the Platinum cements your status with Amex. The relationship makes it easier to qualify for premium business cards and higher limits, which is where the real funding power begins. Competitive positioning. Here's something most people overlook. When you put the Platinum next to the competitors like Chase Sapphire Reserve or Capital One Venture X, the difference isn't just in perks, it's in the perception. Amex has the deepest business card ecosystem, so while other issuers focus mostly on consumer travel perks, Amex is playing the long game. Personal plus business integration. And if you're an entrepreneur, that's the difference between getting a $1,500 credit line or $100,000 in approval across multiple cards. But the timing matters. Banks are already tightening up. Delinquencies are climbing and approvals aren't as easy as they were a year ago. That's why getting positioned now is critical. Having a Platinum card and using it responsibly doesn't just give you perks. It shows Amex you are a premium customer, which can open doors to other personal credit cards and business funding that others won't access to when the market contracts. And remember, these updates launch September 18th. Once the new fee is structured and the perks are live, it may become harder to get approved, especially if the economy continues tightening. Acting now gives you leverage later. So here's the bottom line. The Platinum refresh adds more value than ever, but also comes with higher cost. By having this card and using it well, you are already starting to build a strong relationship with Amex. And the relationship could be funding for $100,000 in business funding at 0% APR. So if you got 700 credit score or more and you're looking to start or scale your business, click the link in the description to book a free strategy call. On that call, we are going to look at your situation and map out how cards like Platinum cards fit into a bigger funding plan tailored to your goals. Most people will keep sweeping cards and piling up debt. But if you use credit in a smart way, you can turn it into capital that actually builds your business and accelerates your future.